The government has called off plans to increase excise duty on petrol and diesel in September and October. The hikes of between 8 and 10 cents a litre were being met with growing opposition. The Dáil will be recalled for one day next week to sign off on the measure.
The excise duty fuel row has always been a numbers game, both in terms of the price at the pumps and the potential cost to political support. In recent weeks, government has said it was keeping its plan to reverse excise duty cuts between September and December under review. And after mounting opposition pressure, today it announced a partial delay. In a statement, the coalition confirmed that after a phone meeting between the Taoiseach Micheál Martin, Taoiseach Simon Harris and Independent Minister Sean Canney this morning, it has been agreed that planned excise duty increases on September 1st and October 1st will not now go ahead. The statement said an incorporeal cabinet meeting will take place next week to agree the move. A spokesperson later confirming the Dáil will also reconvene next week to approve the decision, while no decision has been made on changes planned for November and December. One minister today insisting it is not a U-turn.
Absolutely not. Since we first brought in the supports in terms of excise duty, we have continuously monitored that over the last number of months, and we continue to do that.
Today's government decision comes after intensifying public and political pressure over the excise duty situation. Some groups today describing it as a common sense move, others as a climb down, all keen to know what will happen next.
This has to be more than just kicking the can down the road. The government need to make it clear that they will not put these taxes back on petrol and diesel at a time when those fuels are very, very high at the pumps.
We welcome the decision to not increase prices from the 1st of September. It's crazy that it's a few days in advance that we're being told this. This could have been sorted out weeks ago.
Labour, the Social Democrats and Aintu separately said today's move was welcome, but shows the government has no clear excise duty plan. Claims likely to be raised again when the Dáil reconvenes next week. Fíor Crokiana, RTE News, Leinster House.
And we're joined now in studio by our Consumer Affairs correspondent, Angus Cox. And Angus, as we saw there, the political pressure was really ramping up. So it's no great surprise, I suppose, that the government has chosen to postpone these restoration of excise cuts.
No, I think it's fair to say this was coming. It would have been really tricky to restore these excise duty cuts in the current climate, with petrol and diesel prices spiking again. We're also seeing a sustained rise in the cost of living across the board, with a warning this week from the European Central Bank that food prices will likely drive inflation next year, with figures today from the Central Statistics Office showing wholesale electricity prices were 56% higher last month compared to July 2025. While the likes of your hauliers, your farmers, your contractors, their costs have spiked too. So in that context, it would have been a brave move to restore the excise on fuel now. What will this decision mean? Well, after the fuel protests in April, temporary excise cuts, 32 cents on a litre of diesel, 27 cents on petrol were introduced, due to be unwound from next month. Now the first two stages of that reintroduction for September and October will be delayed. That stops 18 cents going back onto a litre of diesel, 17 cents onto petrol. And based on current forecourt prices, Tommy, if the taxes were added back as planned, diesel, that would be up over €2.10 a litre. Petrol will be up over €2 by the end of October. That's not far off the prices that led to protesters blocking the country's ports and fuel depots. The question now, what happens after October? At some stage, presumably, the government will want these taxes restored because there's a cost to all this, €250 million a month to the Exchequer. Sinn Féin says the cuts should only be reversed when international fuel prices begin to fall. That's impossible to predict with the nature of developments in the Middle East. The next intervention from government will likely be in October's budget, so ministers have 6 and a bit weeks to figure out a plan for what comes next.
One to watch. Angus Cox, thanks indeed.